Hello guys and welcome, and today I will show you how to build a game PC for $2,500. So this PC will run any game at full ultra settings at 1080p as well as 1440p. So let's get started. The processor is the Intel Core i7-4790K. This processor has a clock speed of 4 GHz and also it has 8 MB of cache, and it's fully unlocked so we can overclock it. To overclock this processor, we need a great cooling solution, so we'll go with Corsair H100i. So this is a very great choice for this build. It has great cooling and also great build quality. We can overclock our processor we need with this cooling solution without any problems. The motherboard is the Asus Z97A. So this motherboard supports RAM up to 32 GB and also it supports memory speed up to 2600 MHz. And also it supports 3 graphics cards in SLI, and also it supports Intel 4th gen and also the 5th gen processors when it comes out. For the graphics cards, we're gonna be using two of the EVGA GTX780Ti Superclocked Edition. So the 780 Ti is the fastest single card in today's market, and we are combining two of them in this build, so it will be amazing performance in gaming as well as editing. So this graphics card has a base clock of 1006 MHz, a boost clock of 1072 MHz, and also it has 3 GB of GDDR5 384-bit memory, and it has 2880 CUDA cores. This only in one card, so yeah. For the SSD, the Kingston SSD Now 240GB version is the best choice. This SSD is 10 times faster than traditional 7200 RPM hard drive. The hard drive is the Western Digital Green 1TB version. So this hard drive is 7200 RPM and also it has 64 MB of cache. The RAM is the Corsair Vengeance Black 16GB version. So this RAM is it's clocked at 1600 MHz, which is a sweet spot for gaming, and also it has 16 GB of space, which is more than enough for gaming. The case is the Fantex Enzo Pro. So this case is one of the best cases in today's market. It's water cooling ready and it has very great airflow and solid build quality. The power supply is the EVGA Supernova 850 G2. So this power supply is 80 plus gold efficiency, which is very great, and also it has 850 watts, which is very enough for running our PC. So this power supply has also great build quality. It's by EVGA. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.